Street style paneer shawarma. For hummus sauce, we need to start with tahini, roast till, add ginger, garlic, till, salt, haldi, jeera powder, lemon, olive oil. To this, add boiled chickpeas and our hummus sauce is ready. We will need little bit olive oil and water. For marination, we need red chilli powder, coriander powder, haldi, salt, garam masala, jeera powder, black pepper, sugar and white salt. Trifle, that is nutmeg. Mix dry ingredients properly, then add ginger garlic paste, lemon, olive oil and curd. Mix properly and our marination is ready. Marinate paneer in it, and for better marination, dab in the coke spoon so that the masala enters to it. Rest it for 1 or 2 hours. Roast the paneer directly on the grill on high flame. By the time, let's long chop onion and cabbage. By the time, prepare slim oil-free rotis of wheat. Maida roti is also convenient, but wheat roti is considered as healthy. Spread hummus sauce evenly on the rotis and 1 spoon of curd marination. Then add salad to it and grilled paneer. Roll the roti and grill it on high flame for 1 or 2 minutes. We can add butter if required.
Healthy, protein-rich, no fatty oil shawarma is ready.